Kumbh will test your Rishi Tattva, your Rishihood, your resilience, your sadhana itself. Oh, but I have taken a lot of shortcuts. I haven't been through a regular parampara. I didn't go to a Vedic school. I didn't go to a mystical university. There exists only one. And we are calling you. Alakadesh, Shambho Ramanatha. The Rishikula is calling you. Come to the Kumbh Mela. You must have felt it call you several times before. And if you are thinking that you were imagining a call from the Rishis, from the Nathas, from the Siddhas and the Bhairavas, if you have dreamt of Mahavatar Babaji, if you have heard of Shambhala, if you have danced to the tune, this is the call you respond to. After 2025 Kumbh Mela, the descent of the Rishis, the Nathas, the Natha Rishis, the Siddhas, the Mahasiddhas will be unleashed, opened, the portals as if would like to click your pictures and see if you measure up to be the Rishi, the Natha, the Siddha that you think you are. Kumbh itself is a regular opening into the space-time continuum and beyond. If you have ever felt an iota of mysticism, if you have felt the pull of Shakti, if you have felt that there is something more to life, more power than you can imagine, and you would like to plug yourself into it, to liberate yourself from your mundane, non-Rishi life, the Kumbh Mela is a beautiful call. It's a call for waking you up, recruiting you, if you want to call it that, into the Rishikula. It's a call to wake you up so that you can do your bit to Mother Nature, to save this planet, to turn it back a little into nature. Too much of consciousness, too much of awareness, too much of mindfulness is making you sophisticated and artificial. Come back to nature. How do you balance the conscious growth and the growth of nature, both inside and outside of you? Come to the Kumbh Mela, and Rishikula can co-create this future.